Digital citizenship. Digital citizenship is displaying the use of technology correctly in order to communicate learning experiences. Today, we're going to take a look at this question: how can you display digital citizenship to cite evidence and support your claim? We want to ensure that while we research, we appropriately use technology and we are aware and responsible users of technology tools. One area of digital citizenship we are going to focus on is digital law. What is digital law? Here's a definition. Digital law involves using technology and online resources appropriately, ethically, and within the law. It is a crime to steal or cause damage to other people's work, identity, or property online. Quoted by Ribble, 2015. It is our responsibility to be aware while using technology tools for research of knowing when we should cite our sources. It is a crime to steal other people's work online. This is an example of breaking digital law. Did you know there are legal consequences for copywriting and plagiarizing someone's work digitally? How does this apply to digital law? Citations mean we are showing within our work we used ideas, words, graphics, or figures from someone else. When we cite these sources, you have avoided stealing someone else's work. In our class, this would apply when we are researching or providing information or evidence to support our claim. Why is it important to cite our sources? I've listed 4 things that I feel are important. 1, it informs the reader you have properly conducted research by providing your sources of information. 2, displaying good digital citizenship by giving credit and acknowledging other people's ideas and work. 3rd, avoid plagiarism by giving credit when quoting another author's ideas or words. And last, this allows for the reader or teacher to track down your sources used by citing them correctly. We can use our citation creator on the BMS website, or you can use the cite source on Galileo. What's the issue citing sources? New technologies make it easy for people to download and use others' work. Our fast-paced online culture, it's easy to forget about copyright law, which can lead to plagiarism. Remember, plagiarism is when using someone else's ideas or words without crediting the source and pretending they're your own. This leads us into the copyright law. What is copyright law? Copyright law is covered under the Copyright Act of 1976. This act was put in place to stop others from copying the work of others without their permission. This act only stops individuals from copying the work, but anyone can copy the ideas within the work. Watch this video for further information on copyright laws. What are some ways to follow copyright laws? 1 is using Creative Commons. Secondly, using academic database collections for your research. Using Creative Commons to find music, images, and other content is available to the public for free, and legal sharing using repurposing and remixing. Using an academic database collection site like Galileo to do your school research. This database will create citations for you. All you have to do is copy and paste the citation on your works cited page. Galileo can be accessed through our BMS library link. Use this video to help you cite sources properly and for more details and information. Now, let's begin our path to becoming responsible digital consumers. The internet provides us quick and easy access to needed information, but we still have a personal responsibility to follow copyright law and respect people's work. Today we have educated you about copyright laws and the importance of how to properly cite work used, and this enables us to become respectful digital consumers.